Let me ask you something. How many times has a new phone been called revolutionary, only to feel just like the last one? Too many, right? But what if we told you, this time, it's different? Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge isn't just another upgrade, it's a bold leap forward. It's the kind of tech that makes you rethink what a phone should be. From a display that bends the rules of physics to cameras that redefine what's possible, this phone might just change how we see our digital world. But hold on. Fancy features are one thing. Is the S25 Edge really worth the hype? Or is it just another shiny toy in an already crowded market? Today we're diving into everything this phone brings to the table. The good, the bad, and the jaw-dropping. Get ready, because this isn't just a review. It's your inside look at the future of mobile tech. Let's roll. First impressions? Wow. The Galaxy S25 Edge feels different. At 5.8 millimeters thin, it's officially the slimmest Galaxy S phone ever. But here's the kicker. It's not trying to outdo the ultra-thin competition like the 2014 Vivo X5 Max, which was 4.75 millimeters thin. Instead, it's all about balance, slim enough to stand out, but still practical for daily use. Samsung essentially took the Galaxy S25 Plus, shaved 1.5 millimeters off, swapped the zoom lens for a 200 megapixel main sensor, wrapped it in titanium, and said, voila. If you've ever wished your Galaxy S25 Plus was easier to hold, or your Ultra was just a little less Ultra, this might be the phone for you. Let's talk about design. The titanium frame gives it a premium, durable feel. It's light, but not so light that it feels flimsy. Samsung also kept the classic flat edges, which makes the phone surprisingly comfortable to grip, despite the thinness. But here's the thing, the moment you put a case on it, you lose a lot of that thin magic. And let's be real, you will want a case, because while the Edge is durable, it's not military-grade, rugged. Samsung's display game remains unmatched. The 6.6-inch AMOLED panel is sharp, vibrant, and buttery smooth with its 120 Hz refresh rate. Watching movies or scrolling through Instagram? Chef's kiss. And yes, it's edge to edge, pun intended. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, paired with 12 gigabytes of RAM. Translation? It's fast. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or juggling 15 apps at once, this phone doesn't break a sweat. And the upgraded vapor chamber cooling? It's there, but honestly, it's not a game changer. Here's where things get interesting. The Galaxy S25 Edge ditches the telephoto lens for a 200 megapixel main sensor. Samsung's using AI to simulate zoom, and the results are pretty impressive. You're not getting ultra-level quality, but for most people, this camera will more than do the job. Low light performance? Decent. Video stabilization? Solid. But don't expect the sensor size to match the Ultras. Now for the trade-offs. The Galaxy S25 Edge packs a 3,900 mAh battery, smaller than the Plus or Ultra. Samsung claims you'll get a full day of normal use, and that checks out barely. Heavy users might want to keep a charger handy. Speaking of charging, it's capped at 25 watts, so don't expect lightning-fast top-ups. One UI 7, running on top of Android 15, is polished as ever. Edge panels get some new AI tricks, and you've got all the usual Samsung perks. DeX mode for productivity, customizable themes, and more. It's a software experience you'll love if you're already in the Samsung ecosystem. So, is the Galaxy S25 Edge worth $1,099? If you love Samsung and want a sleek, lightweight phone with solid performance, it's a strong option. It's the thinnest Galaxy yet, but not the thinnest phone ever. And with the iPhone 17 Air rumored soon, that Edge might not last. It's not a revolutionary upgrade, and battery life takes a hit. But as a stylish step forward in design, it's worth a look. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Galaxy S25 Edge. Would you trade battery life and zoom for a thinner design? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech reviews.